Hello everyone, my name is Silvanus Jokhanan Setijono and my student ID is 4222001 and 004. Today I'm going to be talking about vision language models. Let's get right into it. So, visual language models is an AI designed to understand image and text together, so it makes a bridge to comprehend both the vision and natural language data. So it learns both from visual and textual data. And why are VLM so important? So if we see how the human brain works, how the human understand the things that they are, human understand them both from hearing and seeing. So we can see that the input that the human have is visual data and textual data. So the AI or visual language model helps humans to reach that point of understanding. So it works like how human understand things. And because of that, so VLM are actually have better performance in image captioning, search, and robotics, and is already used in a lot of platforms like Google Image, Instagram, and ChatGPT. So these are how we can see from this picture is how the VLM works or the visual language model works. So we can see in this picture there's two input data which are the textual data and the visual data, or this we can see a picture here. So it goes through the same encoder the to actually transform the data to a one universal embedding space to help the model find the red string or find the connection or find the understanding between the text and the image. So it understands the relationship between the text and the image. So both of the data goes to an encoder, the text go to the text encoder, and the image goes to the image encoder, resulting an embedding space where the model learns about the connection of it. And these are how it works. We can see there's two components, which are the image encoder, for example, CNN or Vision Transformer, and there's a text encoder. You can see transformer-based tokenizer, and the results of this encoder is joint embedding space. This is where the image and text are mapped. So this model is trained using contrastive learning or captioning tasks, and these are the examples of popular vision language models that we have nowadays. You can see the OpenAI or Clip is actually a model that is trained to match image with captions, and the Flamingo from that is developed by DeepMind is actually trained to do few shot learning across visual tasks. And we can see Blip here is actually trained for captioning and question answering. And we can see Cosmos from Microsoft is actually the most advanced, is actually trained to understand web pages and documents. These are the power of vision language models. You can see here some of the case study. This is the example of text-based image search with Clip that is developed by OpenAI. If you can see, I'm searching a dog serving here, and it results a picture. It actually matches the caption with the pictures online that shows a dog serving. We can see from this case study how the visual language model works. So for the summary, we can see VLM or visual language models combines vision and language into one model to have the same understanding, and uses the image and to text encoders to create one shared embeddings for understanding the connection or the relationship between the image and the text, and it enables the tasks like captioning, search, and image understanding. So for reflection of what we have right now, VLMs make AI context more human-like, and it has a huge potential for education and creativity in the future, but it still faces a lot of challenge like bias and data limitations. So that's it for me. Thank you all for watching. I hope what I'm telling you today gives you a value that you can think of about visual language model. Thank you for watching.